Hello, welcome to ADA. My name's Dieter and I'm going to be your coach for the day. This week's top tip is all about riding a side slope. Side slope is where it gets a little bit tricky and weird, but stay with me and we'll take you through it. Now, if I imagine that my hand is the motorbike, I'm on the side slope. Now a lot of people say you want your weight on the uphill side of a side slope because if something goes wrong you're going to fall uphill, not downhill. And that's correct. But if I look at it, if I put my weight on the uphill side of my hand and I push down, look how there's no traction. Immediately I'm just sliding. So what's the solution to that? Put the weight on the downhill side. If I put my weight on the downhill side, immediately I've got grip and traction. But I just said I don't want to be on the downhill side because if I fall it's going to hurt and cost a lot of money. So what do? We combine the two factors. All my weight is on my leg on the downhill side, but my body position is on the uphill side. So I've got traction and grip, but my body is uphill. So if something goes wrong, I'm falling up and not down. Now it sounds weird, it sounds tricky, but let's jump on the bike and take it from there. So if we take it back to what I just said, my weight should be on the downhill side. So that means this downhill leg is pushing down. The uphill leg has got no weight. I can pick it up. My body position is uphill. So I'm pushing down on this leg, but my hips are uphill. So if something goes wrong, I'm coming up, not going down. Now let's ride it and see. Now as you could see there, my uphill leg went off the foot pegs. I'm not saying take your leg off. I just wanted to showcase to you that there's no weight on that leg, but my hips are on the uphill side. That's that for this week's top tip. Stay safe, have fun, and enjoy the ride.